Well, NYSE-listed Garmin recently rang the closing bell here at the exchange as it unveiled its latest line of smartwatches ahead of the holiday season. NYSE content creator Ashley Masternardi sat down with Susan Lyman, Garmin's VP of Sales and Marketing, to take a closer look and learn why it's appealing to all types of athletes. Let's take a look.
The Venu 4 is our lifestyle watch. So Garmin makes a lot of products, and many of our products are positioned for that elite athlete, the marathon, triathlon. But the Venu series is for that everyday person that maybe is starting their first 5K or maybe just wants to live a healthier lifestyle. And over the iterations of the Venu product line, we continue to pull in more and more health and wellness features. So now it really is a health and wellness coach on your wrist, with even fitness features in our watch now that are even at the highest end of our running watches. So it's very exciting to have a beautiful lifestyle watch that is really has a lot of the health and wellness and fitness features of our other watches.
And what are some of the specific things that it can do or measure?
Right, so new is our health status, and health status is really, it's really great. It's good to wake up in the morning and see that you're healthy. But what it does is it gives an indication of how your health is going based on biometrics and what we are measuring while you sleep. And so you'll wake up to see that maybe your breathing variations are good, your HRV, your heart HRV was good, you have a good sleep score, pulse ox is being measured. So all of these things add up to be what we're calling a health score. And it's your own personal score. So it's on your baseline. If you're different than you have been, it could indicate that maybe you're coming down with something, or maybe not getting enough sleep, or maybe exercising too much even.
And I know that battery life for Garmin has been a key differentiator. And as I shared with you earlier, I am a marathoner,
Yes.
a triathlete, and Garmin has carried me through so many races and really lasted. Can you talk about I believe it's a 12-day battery life on the Venu 4. Can you talk about how that will help promote people's fitness goals and support them in their endeavors?
Yes, definitely. So 12 days of battery life. So it's really important. I like to say that it seems just like a specification that engineering would give us, but it is really a life changer because you don't have to worry about charging your watch. So you can sleep in it, which I mentioned is very, very important to get that whole picture of your health and wellness is during that sleep time. And so you're not worrying about charging it, and it has the bright display. So we're not sacrificing things to get this long battery life. We have all these health and wellness features, and yet this very long battery life. So charging your watch is not part of your daily activities. When I look down, mine will say weeks, how many weeks I have until I need to charge it. So it just takes that off your plate and allows you to do things that you're not, maybe you're thinking about going for a walk or thinking about going for a run. You're not thinking, oh my gosh, my watch is dead. Because we all know if we don't measure it, it didn't happen. But yeah, so battery life ends up being really a lifestyle change because we can see that full picture of your health.
All right, and let's talk design. What are the design updates in the Venu 4?
Yes, so it's beautiful with the metal bezel, bright display. It comes in 2 different sizes, and one really important new feature, sounds kind of funny, but it has a flashlight. And our other watches, starting with our Phoenix product line and then Forerunner product line, we had a flashlight. And all of a sudden we realized once you have a flashlight on your watch, you really can't live without it. I mean, everybody you talk to has a story about how they use the flashlight on their watch because you always have it with you. So anyway, we added a flashlight to the Venu series, and this is the first version that had that. In addition, we have a feature that's new to us called lifestyle logging. And so what that does, if you're honest, is you log different parts of your day. Alcohol, caffeine, a run, yoga, meditation, things like that. And that helps this watch help you know your body better, and it can see how those things are affecting your health and wellness.
All right, thanks again to Garmin's Susan Lyman and, of course, our Ashley Masternardi for that interview.